And I am live! Babalik na naman ang inyong mamshis. Oo, active tayo today kasi long weekend. So, yeah, I have a special guest for tonight. My young business partners, young couple from Winnipeg. Sasamahan tayo ngayong gabi for our business talks dito sa ating live ngayon. Let's wait for them to come live para makasama natin sila ngayong gabi. And tonight, we're gonna talk about anything regarding the business. So if you guys have questions, just drop on the comment section para we can answer anything that you want to know sa business. Okay? So, let's invite them now. Hold on. All right. Let me invite my guest now. Young couple from Winnipeg. Sino kaya? Andiyan naman sa comments who's my guest for tonight will be Chris and Bianca. So I'm just waiting for them to hop on. So while waiting for them, I want you guys to type in any questions that you wanna know dito sa online business namin. So yeah. Hi Prem, thanks for watching. Oh, taga Saskatchewan ka pala. I thought taga Winnipeg ka din. Yeah, mainit, 'di ba? So yeah, happy weekend sa lahat. Long weekend. It's Labor Day here in Canada and in the USA. So, daming magka-camping.
Yeah, it's really hard.
Yeah. So, Prem, if you can, if you can share this one sa group natin so that they can watch and they can see that we are live now. And I'm still waiting for the couple. Kakauwi lang nila, as in, di pa sila nakakaupo. And Bianca message me, if I'm ready, I'm ready. Tutulog. Yeah. Yes, summer ulit, napakainit, di ba? Para tayong mga budyakong nalulusaw, parang nasa Pinas lang. Yeah. So, yeah. Hi, sis, Bianca. There you go. Ano ba yon? Bring them on the video. There you go. I already sent an invite. Bianca. Ayan. I'm connecting now. Ayan na. Padating na sila. And
Hello.
yeah. All right. Ayan. Welcome to Business Talks with Chris and Bianca. So I just told them earlier that we're gonna talk about anything regarding the business. So if they have any questions, they can just simply drop their questions on the comment section.
Yep.
And then we will answer everything that they wanted to know.
All right. Yes, for sure. Tagalog, English? Or
It
just
doesn't
English?
it doesn't matter. Tagalog, English, kahit ano.
All right. All right. Hi,
Pwede.
everyone.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Pakilala niyo muna yung mga sarili niyo.
Yep.
And yeah.
Hi,
Yeah.
everyone. Good evening. We're coming to you live from Manitoba. Kakadating lang talaga namin from nakapangalis pa ako. Kakaupo lang namin. And we're Chris and Bianca. If you don't know us, business partner namin si Shelo. Actually, first time namin nakilala si Shelo last first week or August nung convention nung August.
In person.
Pero in person, pero matagal na namin siyang nakilala because of this online business. So,
Yes.
ganun yung nagagawa ng online business sa ating mga business owners. Kasi we have a global reach, which means it doesn't matter kung nasaan ka. So, yung magiging business owner mo, pwedeng nasa Canada, pwedeng nasa
Yeah.
Australia, pwedeng na other side of the globe.
Yep, we have a business partner actually na nasa
New
New
Zealand.
Zealand, si Ate Phoebe. Right? So,
Yeah.
shout out to Ate Phoebe. And then,
Shout
yeah,
out
so,
Ate
yeah.
Phoebe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
And also mga partners natin na taga Australia din, di ba?
Well, yeah,
Yeah,
yes.
right?
Yeah. And also nasa Pinas din yung isa, si Lisa, nakabakasyon. So,
Oh,
so
di ba?
yeah.
So that's
Yes.
how global we are, right? Because yan nga, kasi as long as meron kang internet, yun, di ba?
Yeah, exactly. And Lisa is actually from Australia, nagbakasyon lang sa Pilipinas, but she can take the business everywhere she go, right? So that's the beauty of the business, yung pwede mo madala anywhere, kahit na saan ka mapunta. Yeah. Yan. Yeah. So thank you sa 2 million viewers natin right now. Yes. So drop your questions at the bottom. So yeah, tatanungin ko kayo. Why did you guys started this business? 'Di ba? You have awesome career, you're interior designer and Chris is works on IT, right? Kind of like that or yeah. So kung isipin nyo, you guys have good ay tawag dito, high paying job or good paying job, but you still started this business and you're still doing it. Why? Can you let our viewers know why?
Okay. Yep. So first thing, well, syempre, maganda nga yung careers namin. We're thankful kasi na-carry namin yung career namin from the Philippines na nadala namin dito sa Canada. Kasi usually, karamihan sa atin, di ba, sa mga naging immigrants is nahirapan sila makuha yung kung ano yung job nila before, right, sa Pilipinas, right? Like kung kunyari, doktor ka, kaya dentist ka, di ba? Hindi mo makukuha agad-agad. We're thankful and we're blessed na nakuha namin here. But at the same time, syempre, ganun pa rin yung work namin here from the Philippines, yung work namin dito. Although nagkaroon ng marami ng kumbaga responsibilities, right? Kasi medyo tumaas na nga yung experience namin, at the same time tumaas na rin dumami rin actually yung responsibilities namin. So ayun yung naging push sa amin na kumuha ng ibang way or maghanap ng ibang way para sa future din namin. At the same time, para ma-lessen din yung time sa trabaho kasi the more you climb up that corporate ladder, the more yung responsibilities mo.
Exactly.
At the same time, the more yung time na masa-spend mo sa work.
And
so,
less time with
your
family.
family. Yep. And then, kami ngayon, I mean, we have a baby on the way, right? In the process, and nasa oven, right? So, we're readying na yung future ng kids namin, right? Na we'll have more time with them, we'll have more memories spent, memories created, right? Instead of working or memories na nag-OT ka, right? Nag-OT ka, nasa-stress ka sa mga trabaho, nasa-stress ka sa mga colleagues mo, right? I mean, that's the part of it ng work, pero syempre, you have to balance it also.
Yeah.
Right? And
and Bianca, like I always said, 'di ba? Money comes and go. Pero yung time na pwede mong ibigay sa yung family, especially sa mga kids, yun yung something na money cannot buy, right? So hold on, yung kasama ko dito. So yung time na i-spend mo sa kanila, yun yung the best gift that you can give to our children.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's true.
So, go ahead.
Yeah, kaya nga sabi nga nila, di ba, money is really precious. Money is gold, right? So instead of, yes, marami kang ang money, pero, money, time is gold, right? But, I mean, kahit marami ka ng pera, right? Pero you'll end up having lesser time, right? Because, I mean, we're just here to stay in life, right? Like, on a certain time. So, yeah.
At the end of the day, kaya sabi nga nila, kahit bigyan mo ng maraming iba-ibang klaseng toys or gadgets yung mga anak mo, makakalimutan nila yan. Pero yung time na in-spend mo sa kanila, di ba, yung milestone, every milestone na nandun ka, hindi nila makakalimutan yan for the rest of their lives. So, that's the beauty of this business. So, we get to spend more time with our family, kagaya nyo guys. So, instead na magpakahirap kayo yung as a corporate worker, di ba?
Yep.
Grabe yung load ng trabaho, di ba? So because of this business, nagawa nyo i-less yung time dun sa work. And now you're building your future para na rin sa bagong baby na darating soon. And we are excited for you guys. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Totoo yan, sis. Alam mo, sobrang, nung nag-work ako, sanay ako sa stress ng work. Kasi yung industry ng design and construction, very stressful. Sanay ako doon. Okay lang yon. Pero ang hindi ako sanay, yung mga stressful na katrabaho. And you know what? Hindi mo mapipigilan yung mga taong ganun. May mga taong ganun talaga. Kahit saan ka magpunta, mapa-Pilipinas ka, mapa-Canada ka, may ganong tao. And ayaw natin ng mga ganon kasi, right, na pumapasok sa buhay natin. Pag negative, alis mo na kaagad dyan. Pero kasi pagkatrabaho mo, araw-araw mo yun makakasama, makikita. So, yun yung isang reason na sabi ko ayoko ng ganito forever, na hanggang 60-65 ako na meron akong kasamang ganito. Alam mo yun? Kasi naapektuhan ikaw, so pag uwi mo sa bahay, naapektuhan how you handle your family, right? So dapat hindi nila deserve yun, na yung tira-tirang energy lang yung spend mo sa kanila, na galit ka sa office, so dadalhin mo sa bahay yon. They don't deserve it, right?
Or masyadong mabigat, kumbaga, yung dadalhin mo. Diba? So,
and this business made it possible for us na makat yung hours ko. Kasi dati, nag-OT ako noon dati, hindi dahil sa pera. Nag-OT ako dahil ang daming trabaho.
Dahil kailangan.
Dahil kailangan. Ngayon, I can say no. Alam mo yun, kasi hindi ako natatakot. Kahit mawala ako, paalisin nyo ako, it's fine. You know, kasi meron kaming backup plan.
Yes. And itong backup plan na to, for those of you guys who don't know, this is a registered business. So, you can start it no matter where you're from, kahit anong background mo, kaya nila Chris, kahit wala kang background, basta you are willing to learn. Diba? We have world-class training. And then mentorship and coaching. Available lahat yan. And awesome community na tutulong sa inyo to build your business. So, yeah, sorry sa kasama ko. Gumagawa ng cake. It's so hot. Hold on. So hot daw.
Hi, Gino.
So, yeah.
And isa pa sa kagandahan nito, like, ngayon gumagawa kami ng Go Live, and sis Stelo is beside her son, so you know, she get to spend time with Jingo kahit naggagawa siya ng business, right?
And also, yung couple weeks ago na convention, you guys get to nasama nyo yung anak, di ba? And then also your sister.
Yes.
So, yung in-spend natin doon, so we can write up on our taxes.
Exactly.
So hindi alam ng marami yon. The difference between working tapos magpa-file ka ng tax, and then especially sa mga mahilig mag-overtime, at the end of the year magbabayad pa sila. So the difference when you are online business owner, yung mga expenses mo na incurred sa business, you can claim them. So hold on. Instead na magbabayad ka ng tax, you will get in return. Kasi yung mga in-invest mo sa business, di ba? So, again, this business requires capital po.
Yes.
So, sa mga nagtatanong, I know you guys will gonna ask right away, is this business, do we need the startup capital? Of course, any business, you need the startup capital. But this one is designed for normal people like us. Kaya affordable siya, and we have lots of option to start. So, also, meron tayong 30 days trial, so they can check it out, right?
Exactly.
So
ang startup capital natin, talagang very reasonable siya. Kumbaga, kung gusto mong, before we started this business, nagtingin kami, it's either Amazon dropshipping, which cost like way more, kasi yung courses pa lang every time na mag-apply or enroll ka ng courses for dropshipping, it's about 5,000. Tapos after nun, may limit yon, mag-enroll ka ulit. Tapos bibilihin mo pa yung mga gamit, right? Tapos pag hindi mo nabenta, babagsak sa garahe mo, right? So pag di mo
Mhm.
nabenta, lugi ka. But for this business, it's like a franchising type of business. Hindi natin kailangang bumili monthly ng kung ano-anong mga
Trinkets, lotions and
lotions and
potions. Yeah.
potions, right?
Yeah.
Alokin natin yung ating mga kaibigan and friends na bumili sa atin or maging business partner natin. Otherwise, hindi tayo kikita. Hindi tayo ganon
Mhm.
sa business na ito. So, yeah.
So what we actually do, hindi kami nagbebenta, hindi kami nangungulit. What we actually do is like this. We make strong social media presence. We do social media marketing, attraction marketing. So we just publish our advertisement there because we promote lifestyle kind of business. Business that you can take wherever you go. Business that can provide for your families, like supplement financial and time freedom. Yun ang pinopromote namin dito sa business. We're not promoting any products door to door. But of course, there is an investment, but you have 30 days to check it out para malaman mo rin
Yes.
if it is for you, right?
Yes.
So
the only way you will know is if you do your own due diligence, do your own research, right? And 30 days is a plenty of time to do your research. If for any reason you decide the business is not for you, you can simply refund, right?
yeah.
True.
So
And nga, diba? Ang analogy namin kasi, di ba? Kapag nag-start ka ng business, right? Let's say sa Pilipinas, di ba? Kung magsa-start ka ng sari-sari store mo, di ba? You need a capital. You still need a capital to buy yung mga delata, yung mga noodles.
Hindi ka pwedeng mag-open
Hindi
ng
ka pwede
store na walang laman.
Hindi ka pwede.
Wala kang ititinda.
Right. Kasi, ano ba? Ano yung ibebenta mo, right? Kung wala kang laman, yung tindahan mo. So,
meron din another type of business owner. Yung i-open lang, bumili ng paninda, pero hindi binuksan yung tindahan.
Exactly.
Again, sa mga business owners dito, sa community natin, hindi lahat pare-pareho yung achievements, di ba? Hindi lahat pare-pareho yung result. But, kung ano yung effort na binigay mo sa business, yun din ang effort na makukuha mo.
Yes.
So, if you open your business, it means you have to work hard for it. You need your time, energy, and your commitment. Kasi kung wala yan, hindi rin magra-run yung business nyo. Nag-open ka ng online business pero you're not doing your part to be present on the social media, which is what we're actually doing, right? So, ganon. That is our advice for all business owners, new and old. You have to be present for your business. Kasi kung inopen, nag-ano ka ng invest ka, let's say yung tindahan na sinasabi nyo, bumili ka ng paninda, pero hindi ka nagbukas ng tindahan, sa palagay mo may bibili ba sa tindahan mo?
Exactly.
No one will buy. Kasi no one knows that you have something
and
what you have there, right? Not unlike when you go every day, be persistent, sabi nga nila. And then soon people will slowly learn what you are actually offering them. And then that's how they take action. Diba?
Exactly.
So,
and don't compare yourself for this is for business owners already. Don't compare yourself with other business owners kasi yung journey more is different ng journey niya or yung journey namin is different ng business journey ni Sis Shelo, right? So what you need to do actually is to show up for your business, i-champion mo yung sarili mo, and dadating yung araw, yung mga hindi naniniwala sa'yo, maniniwala na rin sila sa'yo. Kasi lagi nilang nakikita yung mukha mo, right? Consistent ka, hindi yung after 2 months wala ka, tas biglang lilitaw ka na naman. Hindi ganun. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, sa business mo. So hindi din maniniwala yung mga taong kinausap mo before, right? Kasi may mga ganun before, right? May mga business owners na lumalapit sa mga kakilala and kamag-anak, right? Hindi kami yung ganun kasi gusto namin nag-advertisement. So kapag lumapit yung kamag-anak and friend kasi na-curious sila, it's because we did our work, we did our part. Nag-show up kami sa aming business page. Inopen namin yung aming business. Hindi dahil yung hinabol namin sila. You know?
Yeah. Yun nga, di ba? So, again, advice namin sa lahat ng bagong business owners, Wag nyo i-compare yung page 1 nyo sa page 100 ng iba.
Yeah,
Exactly.
that's true.
Kasi
Don't
it
compare.
will not do you any good. It will just hold your time thinking, comparing,
Or
instead of
energy,
you
Mhm.
doing something for your business.
Actually, magandang gawin mo is, kunya sa mga business owners, is i-compare mo yung sarili mo, right? Compare mo yung sarili mo from your previous days, from your previous months, years, or kung matagal ka na talaga dito sa business mo, right? You have to compare yourself. So,
From yourself from yesterday.
from yesterday,
Yes.
right?
Ibang tao, right?
Mhm.
Because makikita mo kung ano yung lacking mo, right? Kung ano yung
Mhm.
kailangan mong i-improve, right?
Yeah.
Kung kailangan ko bang mag-go live ngayon, or kailangan ko bang mag-ads na ngayon, or ano ba, kailangan ko bang i-reach out tong person na to dahil, I mean, ano ba, curious na siya, right? Yung mga ganong
Yeah.
tipo, kumbaga.
Mhm.
So you have to take yourself out of your comfort zones. So yun
Yeah,
yung maganda, no?
exactly. Yeah. Parang tawag dito, we have a community, sabi nga, di ba?
Yep.
Paano malalaman ng community mo if you are going through something, if you don't, tawag dito, mag-share, di ba?
Yeah.
You're just one message away, di ba? So
Mhm.
all you have to do is always reach out. Kung hindi mo ma-message yung mentor mo, your coach mo, we have other members in the community that you can reach out. And also, maganda rin yung i-manifest mo na one day it will happen to you. But hindi rin pwede na nangangarap ka lang na walang action. You have to take action all the time. Lagi to. Always do your part, take action. Stop dreaming lang na walang gawa.
Exactly.
You have to
Yeah.
put your time and effort again and again. Darating yung time na all your hard work will pay off. Alam mo yon. So yung lahat ng pinapangarap mo, mangyayari yan. Sabi nga, in
Yep.
God's
So,
perfect timing, basta you put your time and effort and your heart, and also samahan mo na rin ng prayers kasi you need guidance, di ba? So, yeah.
true.
Yes, hindi pwedeng lang. Meron kasi magko-comment minsan sa ad, sana all.
Sana all.
Hindi pwedeng puro sana all.
Yes.
Kailangan, hindi pwedeng puro ka lang Facebook, TikTok, right? Kailangan gumawa ka ng paraan,
Yeah.
magtrabaho ka.
Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng puro Netflix,
Yeah.
right?
Meron pa nga dyan yung meron pa nga nagsasabi dyan na manifesting good vibes yan for this year.
And that's great,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Okay yun mag-manifest, but you have to put it in action.
Yep.
Katulad ng sinabi ni
Exactly. Kasi
Oo.
meron nga we have actually there's a rule, right? There's a law of attraction, right? So yung law of attraction, yung ano ba din? Ang first ang last 6 letters ng law of attraction, right, is action, right? Yung attraction, right? So meaning you have to do action first before receiving that law of attraction results, right? So ayun yung magandang thinking dapat na nasa atin actually, right? Not just na kailangan natin i-manifest ito, sana all, yung ganun, or malapit na mag 2024, no? So andyan na naman yung mga New Year's resolution, right?
Yeah.
So but I mean, sabi lang tayo nagsabi na New Year's resolution, ganyan, gagawin ko na magda-diet na ako, or mag-exercise na ako, or mag-start ako ng business, right? But the thing is, you're not putting that into action. So yun yung lacking natin. So paano ka mag-attract ngayon ng results or ng good ng blessings from the universe if you're not doing an action, right?
Exactly.
If you're not taking an action.
Yeah. Yeah, ang dami nating mga ano ba yung mga top questions, yung mga excuses ng mga nag-i-inquire sa atin, di ba? It's kind of like, sasabihin nila, hindi ako marunong sa computer. Like, for me, you're doing Facebook right now. Huwag mo sabihin you don't know, right? Kasi, first off, for me, personally, when I started the business, hindi ako active sa Facebook. I don't do go lives. Like I said on our team, I just started doing go live after ng 1 year na ako sa business, which is I regret nung di ba? So yung mga tao na sinasabi na I don't know how to do computer. But ang masasabi ko lang, kung kaya niyo mag-Facebook, kung kaya niyo manood ng mga mag-TikTok, mag-YouTube, you can definitely do this business. We can
Exactly.
definitely do this business. Yung mga sabi nila, nahihiya ako, ayaw ko na mag-live. Tapos maya-maya nakikita mo nasa reels sila, di ba? Reels ng reels. So,
Oo,
yeah.
totoo. Alam mo yung technology nga ngayon, mas sobrang napakadali na eh. I mean, sobrang friendly na, user-friendly na, alam mo yun, magsa-scroll ka lang, di ba,
Yeah.
ng newsfeed mo sa Facebook. Nakikita mo na yung news nila, right? Samantalang yung before, di ba, parang nahirapan pa yung iba.
Oo.
Ngayon kasi sobrang dali na, as in, kahit nga actually matanda na, meron na nga Facebook, right? Kahit mga
Oo.
70 years old, right? Like si, ano ang name niya, right? Meron kaming business owner na 70 years old na siya, di
Oh,
ba?
yung nakasabay namin
Deborah,
sa
right?
yung nakasabay namin sa elevator nung nasa convention kami, mag-asawa sila na nasa 70 years old.
See?
Hold on, saglit lang. Ito namang kasama ko. Oh! may password kasi. Yeah, wait. Hold on, Jingo. Yeah. Ayun, naligaw na ako. Sorry, guys. Yeah, yun yung ano ng may kasama ka sa online business. Ayan.
Hi.
No,
Talagang nga, yeah. So, I mean, wala tayong ano eh, kahit sino talaga dito, kahit matanda ka na, kahit hindi ka magaling hindi ka tech savvy.
Matanda, bata, it doesn't matter if you have a degree, a PhD, it doesn't matter kung nakagraduate ka or hindi, kung babae ka or lalaki or kung anong gender preference mo, kung anong ethnicity mo, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
What matters is yung drive mo na mabago yung buhay mo or kung hindi mo gusto kung nasaan yung pamilya mo ngayon, yung drive mo to get the life that you truly love and deserve for you and your family. Ayun ang drive namin, and most of us in this community, yun yung drive namin.
Exactly.
Hindi lang yung may mapatunayan sa sarili namin. Ang pinaka-importante, ayaw naming masayang yung oras namin sa pagtatrabaho instead of us spending our time with our loved ones. You know, the people that really matter. Kasi ang matatandaan ng mga anak mo, ang ayokong pinakamatatandaan nila is yung OT ako ng OT. Na pag nagsabi sila, can we go outside, hindi ko kaya kasi may tinatrabaho. Right? Ayun yung ayokong maalala nila. Sana walang ganun na naaalala si Lali. I don't think meron naman kasi where we were lucky, nung nasa Pilipinas ako, may mga kamag-anak kami doon, right? Na tumutulong na alagaan siya, walang daycare. Dito kasi sa Pilipinas, sa Canada, wala kaming kamag-anak, right? So kung babalik ako sa work, wala akong choice kundi i-daycare yung magiging second baby namin, and ayokong mang-yun as much as possible.
Yeah. Tawag dito, especially yan dito sa mga nasa abroad, Canada, America, or kahit anong abroad. Kasi hindi naman natin lahat kasama yung mga family natin, di ba? Alam mo yung ang dami kong naririnig na they don't spend time with their kids. Wala na nga silang time. Pagod na rin yung katawan nila kasi some of them have 2 jobs, 3 jobs, di ba? Lalo na ang mahal, as in ang mahal na ng yung inflation natin, grabe.
Oh yeah.
Alam mo yung kahit ganun yung nangyayari ngayon. Alam mo yun. Thankful pa rin ako. Thankful tayo na we have this business. Kasi it can provide extra income for us. Yung, di ba, may days na or may months na nasasurpass pa yung salary natin sa, alam mo yun,
That's true.
hindi naman sa nagmamayabang tayo, but it's so true. It's so true. Yung blessings na natatanggap natin dito is higit pa sa mga full-time job natin. Sa mga nagtatanong pala, bakit kami nagtatrabaho pa? Kung malaki naman pala yung kinikita namin. The reason why we are still working, kasi this business is very flexible. Hindi namin kailangan tutukan. We have an automated system na kahit nagtatrabaho kami, kahit ano pang ginagawa mo, it keeps on running for you. It keeps give you result. Ganon. That's the reason. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin mayaman ka na, titigil ka ba doon? Titigil ka na doon. Isipin mo na lang, yung mga mayaman, Bill Gates, yan, mga yan. Napalagay isa lang business na mga yan. Mga mayaman, they think business yan. They think for their future, for their family. So, nagpapayaman pa yung mga yan. Hindi naman sabihin, puro pera na lang iniisip nila. They just think of their future. Diba? Ganon.
The future of their kids and their kids' children,
Mhm.
right? Future. Hindi lang yung future ng sarili nila. Kaya hindi sila tumitigil sa pag-earn ng money. It doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that money is the most important thing, but you know what? Money makes our life easier.
Exactly. Exactly.
Mm.
And money can do the things that you wanted to do.
Yep.
Exactly.
Hindi
Gusto mo
naman sa
mag-Disneyland? Hindi pwedeng wala kang pera kung gusto mo mag-Disneyland. Kung gusto mo
exactly.
mag-Disneyland, uutang ka, pagbalik mo, ang sakit ng ulo mo, paano mo mababayaran, right?
Exactly, 'di
Or
ba?
gusto mo, 'di ba, kunyari, meron ka ng pera, 'di ba, kung gusto mo talaga magkawang gawa, di gawin mo yun, right? Mag-put ka ng donation sa
Yeah.
charity mo, sa church, right?
Mhm.
'Di ba? Parang, I mean, malaki yung epekto ng
Habang nabubuhay ka, money affects
Yep.
you and
Mhm.
your family.
Mm.
Kahit hindi mo aminin yan,
Yeah.
makikita mo yan.
Exactly.
And that's true.
Yep.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, kasi minsan naano na lang ako sa iba, parang kayabangan na lang yan. Hindi kami nagmamayabang. Isipin mo na lang, anong pipiliin mo? Yung stress na stress ka financially, tapos hindi mo mabigay yung needs ng family mo, even yung bayaran yung mga bills mo, kesa sa you get something like this business that provides for everything that that helps you, di ba? Mas gugustuhin ko naman yung may ganun ako kesa sa magpaka-stress ako sa trabaho ko. Tapos stress may sahod ka tapos hindi naman nag-i-stay sa account mo. Kulang pa nga sa pambayad, di ba? So, yun. Kailangan lang nilang pumili.
Yep, totoo. Kasi ayun yung reason nga rin kung bakit tayo merong money, right? Para lang sa kaalaman ng lahat, right? Para mapadali yung buhay natin, right? Kasi paano ka makabayad kung wala kang pera, di ba? So, ma-stress pang parang katutulong, paano ka
wala kang pera.
Yep.
Right? Pag nanghingi sa'yo yung anak mo, tapos wala ka, hindi mo na ibigay. As a parent, masakit yun.
Yeah. Di ba? So, yung ganun lang, simpleng lang. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na we're promoting time and financial freedom. Ibig sabihin, puro pera na lang to. Di ba?
It's just a tool. Money is just a tool.
Yeah.
It's just a resource for you to do things with your family so that you can spend quality time with them. You know,
and ma-enjoy nyo rin.
Yes, and not worrying about money. You know.
Kasi,
so, yeah.
Marami pa tayong questions, right? So,
sige.
Pero pwede natin tong gawin na parang segment,
yeah,
right?
we can do this again. Para we can write down more of the questions that actually, ang dami ko nasulat na questions. So, we can discuss that on our next live.
Yes, exactly. Para may aabangan sila.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So, again, guys, I know lots of you are still skeptical, but yung mga friends ko sa Facebook, I've been doing this for more than 2 years now. Isipin nyo na lang, why am I doing this? Kasi it's legitimate. It's legal business. Ibig sabihin, legal business. So yung mga kakilala ko na nagpapakahirap, magtrabaho, pagod na yung mga katawan nyo, pero nagrereklamo kayo, pero ayaw nyong mag-step out, alam mo yon ng mga comfort zone niyo kasi natatakot kayo. Walang mangyayari sa inyo kung dyan lang kayo. So, forever na kayong 65 kayo magpapakahirap dyan. You are building someone else's dream, hindi yung sarili nyong pangarap. So, I challenge you.
Yung mga pinagtatrabahuhan ninyo, pwede kayong palitan yan anytime.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So, sa mga nanonood ngayon and for all the people that will watch this, we want you guys to choose para sa pamilya ninyo. It's either you just stay where you are right now or you're gonna do something para mabago yung buhay ninyo. Dalawa lang yan. And yeah, okay. It's a good one, right? This is an on the spot.
Thank you for having us. Until next time.
I know. Nabuhay yung ko kayo. Nagtakpan na yung...
Patulog na?
Yeah. Ngayon na nag-effect yung yung concoction. Right. Hope you guys having an amazing weekend. Enjoy yung long weekend. I know for us as a business owners, we are busy kasi we have lots of projects and goals that we need to reach. But for the rest of the madlang people na watching right now and we're gonna watch later, you guys enjoy your long weekend, spend time with your families, yun ang kailangan ninyo. Magpahinga kayo. You need that. Kailangan niyo yan. And then, enjoy nyo lang. All right? Thank you guys and God bless everybody. Till our next live. Kung may tanong kayo, specific question, write down on the comment section below. Para next live namin with Chris and Bianca, we will answer everything.
Yes.
Kahit ano yan, i-answer namin yan. Alright?
Kahit anong question.
Wag lang kamusta. Alam ko na yun, pag kamusta.
Kamusta? Unahan mo na.
Inuunahan ko na yung mga ganyan.
Unahan mo na. Mabuti, pero...
Alright. Thank you, Chris and
Bye.
Bianca.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Bye.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye.